Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Oekanda puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Pauwels from Belgium and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Oekanda puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Babinga and oak. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 8 parts inside the frame in such a way that they stay inside the frame. Like, for example, if you just put parts inside in a random way, like that, then you add some more parts and then more parts. I'm not trying to fit all parts inside, I'm just trying to put parts in, and then you lift the frame, you will find that they just fall out. But you have to find a way when you put all 8 parts inside the frame in such a way that they stay inside the frame even if you lift it up. If you take a closer look at the frame, you will find that there is a large opening here, and there are 2 smaller openings on this side. And you already probably guessed that to hold the parts inside, you have to use some of the parts and put them in those openings in order to lock the parts inside. But which piece it will be, it's up to you to decide and when you will be solving the puzzle. If you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that there are 8 parts here and all of them are unique, absolutely crazy shapes. So it will be quite a challenge to put everything inside in such a way that the parts don't fall out. If you like the Oekanda puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I'll start with the parts outside the frame, and when I have the shape, I will put it inside and then lock it. So I'll start with this part. I put it right here. The next piece will be this one. It goes, wait a second, it is supposed to be this way up. Then this piece goes next to this one. The next part will be this one. It goes right here. Then we have to find a large, like kind of T-shaped piece and put it right here. The next part will be this, no, not this one. It will be this one, and it goes right here. It fills a small gap in the bottom layer, like that. Then we grab this piece, put it here. Then this part goes inside, and we have only one large piece that will lock everything inside the frame. Now I grab this, put inside the frame. Then I grab this large piece, just push it inside, and voila. If you lift the frame up, all the parts are staying inside, no parts are falling out. And that is the solution of the Oekanda puzzle. Such a nice little puzzle, but quite difficult to solve. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Lucy Pauwels or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.